Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about regular expressions. Sometimes you can hear that regular expressions have a bad reputation. They are hard, they are opaque, they break things. They even broke Stack Overflow in 2016. So what is regular expressions? Let's briefly go through its history. Stephen Kleene was an American mathematician. A number of mathematical concepts are named after him. So, he also invented regular expressions to describe neural networks. Regular expressions originated in 1951, when Stephen Kleene described regular languages using his mathematical notation called regular events. Regular expressions entered popular use from 1968 in two uses: patterns matching in the text editors and lexical analysis in a compiler. Among the first appearances of regular expressions in program form was when Ken Thompson built Kleine's notation into the text editor QED. Here's Ken Thompson. Later, he added this capability to the Unix editor named ED. Today, regexes are widely supported in programming languages, also in text processing programs, advanced text editors, and some other programs. People also playing some games using regexes, for instance regex crosswords. So, what is regex in JavaScript? Regular expressions are patterns that provide a powerful way to search and replace in text. In JavaScript, they are available via the regex object, as well as being integrated in methods of strings. A regular expression consists of a pattern and optional flags. We will talk about them later. There are two syntaxes in JavaScript that can be used to create a regular expression object. So, the first one is long syntax. The second one is short syntax. It uses slashes, and slashes tell JavaScript that we are creating a regular expression. They play the same role as quotes for strings. Also, this is the way you can add flags to regular expression in short way. In both cases, a regular expression becomes an instance of the built-in regex class. The main difference between these two syntaxes is that pattern using slashes doesn't allow for expression to be inserted with string templates. They are fully static. Here is an example of using long type of introducing regular expression. So you need to declare variable, for example tag, and then you insert it in object declaration. Regular expressions may have flags that affect the search. There are 6 of them in JavaScript. First one is I. With this flag, the search is case insensitive. Next one is G. With this flag, the search looks for all matches. Without it, only the first match is returned. Next one is M. It turns on multi-line mode. S enables dot-all mode that allows a dot to match new line character. U enables full Unicode support. The flag enables correct processing of surrogate pairs. And the last one turns on sticky mode, and it means searching at the exact position in the text. So let's talk about methods that use irregular expressions. First one is method match. This method finds all matches of regular expression in string. It has three working modes. If the regular expression has flag G, as you can see in this example, it returns an array of all matches. If there is no flag G, it returns only the first match in the form of an array. And also it returns the full match at index 0 and some additional detail in properties. And finally, if there is no matches, it returns null. And it even doesn't matter if there is flag G or not. This is very important nuance, and if there is no matches, we don't receive an empty array, but instead receive null. The next method is replace. When a match found using regular expression in string with the replacement, it replaces it. And as you can see on this example, if it has flag G, it replaces all matches. And if it doesn't have flag G, it replaces only first match. We can also use other methods. Those methods that underlined with blue we talked about, and green ones extend them. And also it is very useful to use character classes to describe what we are going to search. All these classes have inverse classes. So the first one is character set. Here you can say what character set you need to find. Another one is negative way to describe what you don't need to find. The next one is a range of letters or characters you want to find. Dot means any letter. These two S match any character. Lowercase w means word characters, and inverse class means no word character. So D helps us to find digits, and uppercase D not digits. Small s again means white spaces, and uppercase S means not white spaces. And also two classes for Unicode categories. So this is most common use of irregular expressions. Thank you for watching this video.